going on, guys? Doing a little bit of a cruise. We got two 350s, Supra, some of their STIs. Roll those up. Had the Supra on my ass the whole time. So I don't think we really have any plans for this. I think we're just kind of cruising. It's a nice day, so let's just see how everything turns out. God. I love these barriers. Well, the Roush is joining us. I have lots of great content on the way. I don't really want to give it away just quite yet, but I will just say it's going to be a fun time, I know, for me, and I think for some of you guys who are going to watch. I'm just really excited, and I think it's going to turn out well. And so far we have 37 subs, which is incredible. We're like not far off from the goal. We're only 13 subs away from the goal. So if you guys can hit that like and sub button, that would mean the world. Especially if we get to 50 before the end of the year, like that would be incredible. But yeah, I mean, great content coming, especially towards the end of the summer. It's going to be a lot of cool different events and things with the car. So really hope you do consider subscribing to the channel. Like I said, a lot of fun stuff to come. If you guys ever plan your own cruise or go on a cruise with some of your buddies, highly recommend radios. It's just, it makes communication obviously way easier and no one gets lost, and overall, good idea just to bring these. I'm not sure if you guys saw all that debris in the road, but my God, that could have ended terribly. I really hope it doesn't like get anybody who's not fully paying attention to the road, because oh man, I can just imagine the just chaos that would ensue from that. Those of you watching and have subbed or thinking about subbing, what do you guys want to see? Obviously, I try to do some track days here and there, go to the drag strip. There is another one going to happen later on in the year. I'm just waiting for it to get cooled down and the rest of my plans kind of squared away for the content. But what else are you looking for? I can try to make it happen. A couple more of these cruises. I know we're doing a couple more cruises later in the year, one in September, and I know for sure another one in October That one I'm really excited for. That one's always a good time. Please just drop a comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see, because I'm pretty open to doing different things. So hopefully you guys like the car shows a little bit. I know with summer winding down, that's gonna start to dwindle, but we'll see what we can do during the winter. This is a daily, so this will be driven in the winter. All right, let's get some windows down a little bit now that we're kind of off the highway. That Voodoo engine really just sounds incredible, doesn't it? God damn. I know they have their problems, but shit, man. It is such a great sound. Yeah, this Roush is just following us. He's just joined in on the cruise. I'm sorry, does that say careful cat crossing? That is the first time I've ever seen one of those. Turns out we're just going along the coast, which is kind of sick. I've been trying to map out a cruise for this for a while. Did not cruise with us, but we got a Mustang 2, fully restored actually, with a little bit extra sauce in the hood, under the hood.
Yeah, exactly. But like this 74. Yeah.
All right, great little impromptu car cruise along the coast. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.